If you own a Westinghouse washing machine, here's how to clean the filter properly. Start by placing a towel or cloth under the filter area to catch any water that may spill when you open it. Also, grab a small container as well. You'll use this to collect the leftover water inside the filter housing. Once you're set, gently press the tab on the left side of the red tube and pull the tube down from the top. Water will begin to flow out, so be ready to empty your container as needed. You may need to do this a few times until the water fully drains. When the water slows to just a few drops, push the red tube back into place. Next, turn the filter anti-clockwise to unlock it. It usually takes 4 to 5 turns before it comes loose. Once you feel it's loose, simply pull the filter out. Take the filter to a bin and clean out any excess soggy lint or debris, and then go to a sink and rinse and clean the filter thoroughly. Make sure to give the black rubber O-ring around the filter a good clean of any loose lint or slimy buildup, as this helps ensure a proper seal when reinstalling. Before putting the filter back, take a moment to wipe inside the filter housing to remove any remaining grime. Finally, insert the filter back into place and screw it in firmly. And that's it, you're done. This should be done every 1 to 3 months or 20 to 30 loads of washing.